Hi there, taking a look at the Chapter 7 capstone one more time. This time we're looking at the finance function section of the instructions. And so in this section, we're going to work on step B, which assumes step A is already done. Step B says, in cell I4, insert a financial function to calculate the present value of the total monthly rent you'll collect for the 8 units for 30 years. Use the number of periods and monthly rate from the summary calculations section. All right, let's flip over to Excel and take a look at what we got going on. So you see I have step A already done. I've entered the monthly rent and the number of units in the complex. So I'm down to I4 and ready to begin. It tells us to use the present value function. So that's great. There's our present value function. And once I select it, come on Lomos, then I'm ready to insert the arguments for this function. Our first argument is the rate. And the instructions tell us that we should use these arguments from the summary section. So I'm over here in E4. I'm going to select that one. My next argument is the number of payments, E3, perfect, comma. Our payment is then how much are we getting for the rent, and we're going to use that over here in I2. But before I click it, I just want to remind you that all through this chapter, the work that we've done, the book has asked us to display the result as a positive number. So I'm not just going to click, what is that, I2. I'm going to enter the minus sign so that our result is displayed as a positive number. So it's minus I2. And then you just got to put your thinking cap on. That's the rent we collect per unit. So we need to multiply that by, what do we got there? I3. All right, because we collect per unit, so we have to times it by the number of units. All right, I think we're good to go. Press enter on your keyboard. There's our result. That's what you should be getting as well. And I just want to wrap up by saying Chapter 7 is our hardest chapter. So if you have any trouble at all, feel free to contact me. I'd be happy to call you or Skype with you. I can even, if you want to send me your file via email, if you have an error and you can't fix it, send it to me and I can send helpful instructions via email too. Let me know anytime you need help.